In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print PowerPoint handouts with lines for notes. This is a great way to share your presentation while allowing your audience to jot down their own thoughts or reminders. To start, the first thing you'll need to do is open PowerPoint on your computer. If you already have PowerPoint installed, just find its icon and give it a click. Once the software is up and running, you'll want to navigate to the presentation that you're planning to print. This could be either a presentation you've been working on or a new file you've just created. Now that you've got your presentation open, turn your attention to the top left corner of the PowerPoint window and click on the File tab. This is your gateway to all the important options you'll need for printing and sharing your presentation. Once you're in the File menu, look for the option that says Export. This is where you'll find advanced sharing options, including the ability to create handouts, which is exactly what we're looking for today. After clicking on Export, you'll see an option that reads Create Handout. This is the crucial step for getting those handy lines for notes next to each slide. If you're ever feeling unsure, just remember that we're aiming to convert your presentation into a format that's both informative and functional for note-taking. Don't be alarmed if you have to click on Create Handout more than once. The process requires a confirmation, so once you've clicked it the first time, you'll need to click Create Handout again to move forward. You'll then be presented with a few different layout options for your handout. Look for the one labelled Notes next to Slide. This layout provides your audience the opportunity to see each slide alongside some space to write their own notes. It's perfect for presentations where interaction or feedback is encouraged. After you've made your selection, confirm your choice by clicking OK. This will finalise the process and guide you through the final steps of preparing your handout for printing. A Word document will open, showing your slides in the format you selected, with lines conveniently next to each one for taking notes. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you've successfully prepared your PowerPoint presentation as a handout with lines for notes. By following these instructions, you can provide a valuable resource for your audience, enhancing their engagement and understanding of your material. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.